Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kinda Networks. Today I want to show you the devices needed to set up a small local area network for a small office. So basically I have with me here three devices. I have a router, I have an access point, and I have a switch, and I have two patch codes. So my first devices to the left is the router. In my case I'm using the MikroTik Hub 955 router. We can all see here 951 UI2ND router. These are the ports that are available for my router. There's the port 1 written internet or PoE in. Then I have port 2, Ethernet port 2, port 3, port 4, written LAN. These are LAN ports. Then I have port number 5, PoE out. PoE out, actually, the port can be used to power devices like access point. PoE in or internet is where my internet cable will terminate to. So this is the first device, the MikroTik router. The second device that I have with me, this one is the D-Link 8-port non-PoE switched unmanaged switch. This is the 8-port. You can see clearly it's written the ports are labeled 1 to 8. This one I'll show you how we'll connect it to a small network. And the third device here with me is the TP-Link M5 Deco router. This is, I'll use it as an access point. We're going to use it it will provide us with Wi-Fi, wireless internet connection. The TP-Link Deco M5 access point. And with me here I have one, this is Cat6e patch code, and another one here. So basically for our setup, our ISP cable will basically terminate to the first port, and of course the configuration will be done on this Ethernet port, the first port, internet PoE in. Then from here, now we'll use port 2 of our MikroTik router. We'll use the patch code, we patch it there, and we'll straight away connect it to our switch, to one of our Ethernet, to one of the Ethernet port of the D-Link switch. We'll use port number 8, connect here, like this. So we've basically set up a connection from the MikroTik router to the D-Link switch. Now our access point, we have two options. We can actually connect our access point. If you want it to be powered from the router, we'll connect it to the PoE out to the access point, to the TP-Link Deco M5. The TP-Link Deco M5 access point comes with two Ethernet ports, so you can use any of them. Use this. Patch it there. So we've basically made a basic setup from the MikroTik router to our switch, then to the access point. So with this setup here, we should be able to get Wi-Fi, and again we should be able to get, for wired connections, we can use any of these ports here. This is an 8-port switch, so we are remaining with actually 7 usable ports. These ports can be used to connect now the PC, biometric devices, servers, and or any other device that requires a wired connection. These we can connect to any of these remaining 7 ports. Again, on our MikroTik, we're still remaining with 2 Ethernet ports that we can also use to connect to any of the devices that requires wired connection. The Deco M5 also has 1 Ethernet port that we can also use here. You can still use this to power. our devices. So basically, when I can power the MikroTik router. I've actually powered it. You can see it's coming up. It's powered. You can see the light there showing power. The router is powered. You can power that. Can also power the D-Link switch. Let me power the D-Link switch also. So I want to show you the LEDs on these devices. So I need to power this. Just a few minutes I get the correct power adapter for this switch. Yes, it's on. You can actually see the power, the LED. Then need to power the MikroTik. Let me get the correct patch cord, connect the correct power cable. So our deco is also up. Need to power the deco M5. When it's coming up, it's orange, showing the LED is orange. So the deco is basically blinking blue because you've not set up the configuration. So basically these are the 3 devices that are needed to actually set up a small local area network. You require a router, this one, like this one, but there are several routers. We have TP-Link routers that are available in the market. We have Tender routers, we have Cisco routers, we have MikroTik routers. Then we also have Ruji routers that are available in the market. Then we have switches, D-Link, TP-Link, Ruji, Cisco. There's so many brands. Then access points, we have like TP-Link, we have Unify. The most common ones are Unify. We have Ruji that are currently available also in the market. So basically these are the devices that we need for a small setup of a small local area network for 2 to 10 users. Thank you so much for watching this small training. Please kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Kinda Networks. Thank you. Until we meet again.